Ever come across an image with a watermark you wish you could clean up? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to remove watermarks using Canva's Magic Eraser tool. A simple yet powerful feature that gives your images a clean, professional look. Let's get started. First, open Canva and locate the font image you want to edit. You can either open an existing design that contains the image or upload a new one directly into Canva. Just make sure the correct image is ready before you begin. Once your image is on the canvas, click on it to select it. Now, direct your attention to the top toolbar where you'll find the Edit button. Click on Edits, and this will open Canva's photo editing menu filled with tools to enhance and refine your image. Here's where the real magic happens. Find and select the Magic Eraser tool. Now, an important note. This feature is available only for Canva Pro users. If you're using the free version and you find this tool useful, it might be worth upgrading for access to these advanced editing options. Once you activate the Magic Eraser, your cursor will transform into a brush. Simply hover over the watermark and carefully drag your cursor across it to highlight the area you want to remove. Try to stay as precise as possible. This helps Canva's AI clean up the watermark without affecting the rest of your image. After highlighting the watermark, click on Erase. Within seconds, the watermark will fade away, leaving your image clear and polished. If you notice any leftover traces, don't worry. Just go over that section again until you're happy with the result. When you're done, click Done. Or simply save your project to keep the changes. And that's it. You've successfully removed a watermark using Canva's Magic Eraser. This tool is fantastic for cleaning up visuals, editing photos, or preparing professional-looking graphics in no time. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below about what Canva tool you'd like to learn next. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy designing.